Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for November and I've got Glossybox and this is their monthly beauty subscription box. So as always, if you're new to Glossybox, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've seen it all before or know it all and you just want to get on to seeing what I received in this month's box, then I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. This is Glossybox UK and the reason you're seeing it a little bit early is because this is a PR box. I am on Glossybox's PR list, so they send me out their beauty boxes a little bit earlier so then I can show you and tell you all about it on my channel. They gift it to me for free, but all my thoughts and opinions remain my own. So the cost of the box is £10 and £3.25 shipping, and it contains 5 beauty treats. You can either opt for a monthly rolling subscription, which you can cancel any month, or you can opt for a 3, 6 or 12-month subscription at a reduced cost. So even though I receive a free PR box, I also keep my subscription running, which I've been subscribed to for nearly 4 years now, and I haven't had a break, so it's one of my longest standing subscription boxes. The reason I keep my subscription running is that I can use those boxes to gift to my friends and family, and also to put up for giveaways on my Instagram page and Facebook page, which are both Diaryofabeautygeek. All links and everything related to this subscription and discount codes for money off your first box I'll pop down in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you to click that, that will bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to opening this up and showing you what's inside. So it looks like, so I've got a little card here which I'll talk to you about in a minute. So let's open this up and give you a quick sneak peek first. We'll wreck it all. I'm not sure how much you'll get to see, but just a little bit of a sneak peek. So going back to this card, it tells you everything about the products inside the box. So I'll refer to this as we go along, plus it gives you the cost as well of the product. So I'm able to toss it up at the end to give you an overall value. And on the back, it's got information about Glossy credits. If you weren't aware, all subscribers to Glossybox have the opportunity to fill out a very short questionnaire at the end of the month related to that month's box, and you get paid for it. Not in actual cash, but in Glossy credits. And you can use those credits towards any purchases off the Glossybox website. So if they come out of limited editions, etc., you can use your credits there, or you can use it on Look Fantastic's website to purchase any beauty products on there. So that is worth doing if you weren't already aware, or you forget like me. I've probably got a couple of months stored up, but then it's like, you know, you've got a couple of pounds then, haven't you? It also tells you a sneak peek for the following month, and we have got, oh my word, it's worth £101 and it is Symbiosis Glycolic Acid and RNA Overnight Rejuvenating Eye Serum. I haven't tried anything from this brand before, but every subscriber in December will receive this eye treatment with £100. Wow! The theme for this month is makeup and magic. It says, we know our glossies can never get enough of a little glitter, shimmer and glow. And with the end of the year fast approaching, we know you're more than ready to combine all three to create some magic, which is why in your November's Makeup and Magic box, you'll find amazing brands that will prepare you perfectly for any upcoming celebrations. So pour yourself a glass of champagne, invite over your besties and begin conjuring up some gorgeous glam looks. So the first item in my box is a face mask. This is a Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask, and 50 mils here. Apply an even layer to clean dry skin, wait approximately 10 minutes or until the mask starts to tingle. Use water to gently rinse off your mask in circular motions, then lightly pat dry your skin. I had a little sample of this, gosh, I don't know when, a year or two ago. I absolutely love clay masks. If I really want to have a really good deep clean to my pores, clay masks are the way to go. They are fab, I do really like them. Yeah. I'll just do a tiny bit there. So yeah, so it's purple. Does it smell? No scent. So in this month's box, there's just 2 variations. You'll either receive box variation 1 or box variation 2. Now they have said on their press release that some boxes will have a mud masky mask instead of the Generation Clay mask. So this is a deluxe mini and it's worth £19.32. To buy the full size 75ml, it will cost you £40.21. Formulated with Australian Davidson plum, a natural superfruit that gently acts like an exfoliating acid, it will transform your appearance by rejuvenating dull, tired skin and lightening dark circles and pigmentation. And then it goes on to telling you how to apply it. So that's the first item in the box. Next we got a brush, this makeup brush by Spectrum. I love the packaging. It's from the Zodiac range and we've got a tall crease blender B07. I love brushes. I've got loads and loads and loads of brushes, but I love them. I do get excited when I have new brushes. As you can see, a nice fluffy one. That is lovely. I really like that. So yeah, we got a nice brush there. It's a limited edition brush and the recommended retail price is £7.99. It says the super soft synthetic bristles on this limited edition black and gold tool taper at the tip into a defined flame shape, which will effortlessly, they love that word, effortlessly, practicing for the last couple of years to say it and I messed up. Anyway, effortlessly glide across the lid and into the crease of the eye, blend in sweeping motions to create an enhanced eye look. So there's that. Next we've got the sneak peek from last month. I'm really excited to have a look at this. This is a, oh you can just see the reflection on my camera. It's an eyeshadow palette, full-size eyeshadow palette by LA Splash. I love this. I love the design. Oh, the colours are nice. So you've got a mirror and those are the shades. A really gorgeous palette to do some really gorgeous warm smoky eyes, if that is your thing. So let's try some out. Try this pale one, which is always good for a base. Yes. Love that. Absolutely love that shade. I apply it all over my lid if I'm doing a smoky eye. It just helps blend easier. Let's try a yellow and let's see what the black is like. That one looks lovely. That one does look really nice. I love that colour in the middle. That is gorgeous, isn't it? So this palette is called the Magic Palette and it's full size and the recommended retail price is £29. It says summon magical forces for the most magical highlighting palette ever created, providing just the right balance of undertones. These 8 spellbinding shades complement any complexion. So there's that. Next we've got something for the hair and this is a Hask Argan Oil hair mask. It's a repairing deep conditioner, strengthens and restores dry damaged hair and it's a colour safe formula. Hask do amazing conditioners, hair masks, they're really lovely. I've probably tried this one before. I've tried quite a few from their range and we've had them in, I'm sure we've had them in glossy boxes before as well. It just says massage into clean wet hair and focus on damaged areas. Leave on for up to 10 minutes and rinse well. And it says each packet contains 2 to 3 uses. You can buy them at this size and it'll cost you £2. It says formulated with organic argan oil, unique to Morocco, this deep conditioner will turn dry and damaged hair into luscious locks as if by magic. And then it goes on to tell you how to apply it. So we've got a hair mask. And lastly, we've got a, what's this? It's a purple moonstone glitter mask. Recharges mind and rejuvenates the skin. Really gorgeous packaging, really gorgeous. Can you see the purple there? You might not, if I squeeze that over there, you might be able to see. Ooh. It's not a sheet mask, you just apply it onto your skin. It says, containing skin conditioning caffeine and cleansing charcoal powder, it will help to rejuvenate and revive the skin. Enriched with moonstone extract and glitter particles to help leave your skin feeling fresh and bright. And it just says, simply cleanse your face with warm water and pat dry. Apply the mask with your fingertips, leave for 15 minutes, then rinse off with warm water and gently pat dry. This is a full size and can be bought for £2.49, and the information just goes into telling you what I read on the back there. So those are all the products. I'll just gather them all up and I'll add them all up. So these are all the products inside Glossybox's Makeup and Magic themed box. We've got 5 products in all. The cost of the box is £13.25. The value of the box comes in at just over £60, so well above the cost of the box. I am really impressed with the products inside this month's box, but I have to be honest, I'm a little bit disappointed with 2 masks. I don't get why we have got 2 face masks. We've got a hair mask, a face mask and a face mask. I don't know, it would have been better if we had like a hair mask, a face mask and maybe a hand or foot mask if there's mask theme going on. But to have 2 face masks, that's a little bit disappointing for me. Besides that, I think the products are really, really great. This eyeshadow palette looks stunning. It does look really, really good. I have yet to try it, obviously, on my eyes. Just trying the formula on my hand. I am really impressed so far. I love this brush. Really gorgeous brush. Really nice for blending. For me, personally, definitely worth £13.25. But it's just a bit odd, though. You've got 2 face masks. I don't know. What do you think? As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this month's box? Are you excited to receive it, or are you watching this wondering if this is a box for you or not? Plus, are you excited to receive the £102 eye treatment in next month's box? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.